Are you tired of the constant chase for more, feeling overwhelmed by clutter, and yearning for a simpler, more intentional life? Imagine a life where you possess less but experience more, where your focus sharpens and stress melts away. This isn't a distant dream, it's the promise of minimalism, a lifestyle revolutionizing how we live and thrive. Minimalism isn't about empty spaces and stark white walls, it's about decluttering the noise, physical and mental, to make room for what truly matters. It's about curating a life filled with intention, purpose, and deep satisfaction. It's about reclaiming your time, energy, and focus so you can invest in experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Discover the power of 20 carefully selected minimalist habits designed to transform your life from the inside out. These aren't superficial quick fixes, they're profound shifts in perspective and action that will ripple through every aspect of your being. Learn practical strategies to simplify your possessions, streamline your routines, and cultivate a mindset of mindful intention. Prepare to unlock a life of greater clarity, purpose, and joy. Embrace the transformative power of less and embark on a journey toward a more fulfilling existence. Uncover the secrets to living with intention and discover the profound impact of minimalist habits. In today's fast-paced world, we're bombarded with messages urging us to buy more, do more, and be more. This constant pursuit of more often leaves us feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and disconnected from what truly matters. We accumulate possessions, commitments, and distractions, creating a life of clutter and discontent. This is where the transformative power of minimalism steps in. Minimalism offers a powerful antidote to the excesses of modern life. It's a conscious choice to simplify, to declutter, and to focus on what brings value and meaning. It's about aligning your actions with your values and creating space for intentionality and personal growth. Imagine a closet filled only with clothes you love and wear, a schedule free from unnecessary commitments, and a mind clear of distractions. These 20 minimalist habits provide a practical roadmap to achieving this vision. They address the core problem of overwhelm by providing actionable steps to declutter your physical space, streamline your routines, and cultivate a more mindful approach to consumption. From decluttering your digital life to prioritizing experiences over possessions, each habit offers a targeted solution to a specific challenge. These habits aren't just about having less, they're about creating more time, more energy, more focus, and ultimately, more joy. They empower you to take control of your life and design a future aligned with your deepest values. Prepare to discover the liberating potential of less and embark on a journey toward a simpler, more fulfilling existence. Ready to embrace a simpler, more intentional life? Share your journey and connect with others in the comments below. Your insights are valuable. Subscribe for more tips on minimalist living and personal development. Let's cultivate a life of purpose together. What minimalist habit from the 20 Simple Minimalist Habits will you try first? Let us know. Let's explore some of these transformative habits. Imagine starting with a simple one in, one out rule for your possessions. Bringing in a new shirt, donate an old one. This prevents accumulation and fosters mindful consumption. Another powerful habit is the 15-minute declutter. Set a timer and tackle a small area each day. You'll be amazed at the progress you make without feeling overwhelmed. Consider digitizing your documents. Scan important papers and store them securely in the cloud, freeing up physical space and reducing clutter. Curate your closet, keeping only clothes you love and wear regularly. This simplifies decision-making and streamlines your mornings. These small changes create a ripple effect, impacting not just your physical space, but also your mental clarity. Beyond physical decluttering, minimalist habits extend to our digital lives and mindsets. Limit social media consumption to reclaim your time and focus. Practice gratitude, shifting your perspective from what you lack to what you have. Learn to say no to commitments that don't align with your priorities, protecting your energy and fostering intentionality. These habits empower you to take control of your life, creating space for what truly matters, experiences, relationships, and personal growth. They offer a path towards a simpler, more intentional existence, freeing you from the burden of excess and allowing you to flourish. In an era of constant connectivity and consumerism, the need for minimalism has never been more urgent. We're drowning in information, possessions, and distractions, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and a sense of overwhelm. The pursuit of more often leaves us feeling empty, highlighting a critical gap between our desires and our well-being. Now is the time to reclaim control and create a life of intention. The rise of minimalist living isn't just a trend. It's a response to a pressing need for simplicity and focus. People are recognizing the detrimental effects of clutter, both physical and mental, and seeking ways to simplify their lives. The challenge lies in navigating a world that constantly bombards us with messages urging us to consume and accumulate. These 20 minimalist habits provide a timely and essential toolkit for navigating this challenge. They offer practical strategies to declutter our lives, prioritize what truly matters, and cultivate a mindset of intentionality. From mindful consumption to digital detoxes, these habits address the immediate need for greater focus, clarity, and peace in our increasingly complex world. By embracing these habits now, you're not just simplifying your life, you're investing in your long-term well-being. You're equipping yourself with the tools to navigate the complexities of modern life and create a future grounded in intention, purpose, and fulfillment. The time for minimalist living is now. Minimalism, at its core, is about intentional living. It's about making conscious choices about what we bring into our lives, both physically and mentally. A key concept is decluttering, not just our homes, but also our schedules, commitments, and digital spaces. Think about your closet. How many items haven't been worn in months? A visual representation of your wardrobe can be a powerful starting point. Another foundational element is mindful consumption. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I truly need this? Will it add value to my life? This conscious approach helps us avoid impulse buys and accumulate clutter. Visualizing your spending habits with a chart can be incredibly insightful. Prioritizing experiences over possessions is another crucial aspect of minimalism. Research consistently shows experiences bring more lasting happiness than material goods. What brings you more joy? A new gadget or a weekend trip with loved ones? A simple comparison chart can highlight this effectively. Finally, cultivating a minimalist mindset involves focusing on gratitude and appreciating the present moment. Take time each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. This shift in perspective can dramatically improve your overall well-being. Consider a gratitude journal as a visual tool to track your progress. These core concepts form the foundation for building a minimalist lifestyle. Let's translate these concepts into actionable steps. Decluttering can feel overwhelming. Start small. Choose one drawer, one shelf, or one digital folder to tackle at a time. Set a timer for 15 minutes and focus solely on that area. This prevents burnout and creates a sense of accomplishment. Facing difficulty with mindful consumption, implement a waiting period. If you're tempted to buy something, wait 24 hours or a week before making the purchase. Another challenge is saying no to commitments. Start by politely declining requests that don't genuinely excite you or align with your priorities. Explain briefly that you're focusing on simplifying your schedule. Practicing gratitude can be challenging amidst a busy life. Create a visual reminder, like a sticky note on your mirror, to prompt daily reflection. Implementing a capsule wardrobe can seem daunting. Begin by identifying your core wardrobe pieces, versatile items you love and wear frequently. Gradually eliminate items that don't fit this category. Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate each step of progress. Once you've integrated basic minimalist habits, consider more advanced strategies. Regularly review your subscriptions and digital footprint. Unsubscribe from emails, delete unused apps, and streamline your online presence. Embrace the concept of a digital detox, scheduling regular breaks from technology to recharge and reconnect with yourself. Studies show that even short periods of disconnection can significantly reduce stress and improve focus. Furthermore, Explore the power of experiences over possessions. Instead of buying the latest gadget, invest in a weekend trip, a cooking class, or a concert. Research consistently demonstrates that experiences contribute more to long-term happiness and create lasting memories. The minimalist journey culminates in a life rich in intention, purpose, and meaningful connections, free from the burden of excess. It's about living a life aligned with your values and prioritizing what truly matters. Research supports the benefits of minimalist practices. A study in the Journal of Consumer Research found that individuals who prioritize experiences over possessions report higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. Furthermore, decluttering has been linked to reduced stress and improved focus, as evidenced by research published in the journal Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin. The impact of minimalist habits extends beyond individual well-being. By embracing mindful consumption, we reduce our environmental footprint. The minimalist lifestyle encourages us to buy less, repair more, and prioritize sustainable practices. This shift in consumer behavior has significant implications for the planet. Consider the story of Marie Kondo, whose minimalist approach to tidying has transformed countless lives. Her KonMari method emphasizes keeping only items that spark joy, a testament to the powerful connection between our possessions and our emotional well-being. Countless individuals have shared their transformative experiences, citing reduced stress, improved focus, and a greater sense of purpose after decluttering their homes. The minimalist movement is not just a fleeting trend, it's a profound shift in how we approach life. It's a call to simplify, to declutter, and to prioritize what truly matters. The data, research, and anecdotal evidence all point to the same conclusion. Minimalism has the power to transform our lives for the better. You might be thinking, minimalism sounds great, but where do I start? Begin with small, manageable steps. Choose one habit that resonates with you and commit to practicing it consistently. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Another common concern is the misconception that minimalism is about deprivation. It's quite the opposite. It's about conscious consumption, about choosing quality over quantity, and about prioritizing experiences that enrich your life. It's about freeing yourself from the burden of excess to create space for what truly matters. Leading minimalist advocate Joshua Becker emphasizes the importance of intentionality. He encourages us to ask ourselves, does this item add value to my life? This simple question can guide our decisions and help us curate a life filled with purpose and meaning. Remember, minimalism is a personal journey. It's about finding what works best for you and creating a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. We've explored 20 minimalist habits that can transform your life. From decluttering your physical space to cultivating a minimalist mindset, these habits empower you to create a life of intention, purpose, and joy. By embracing minimalist principles, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and cultivate deeper connections with yourself and the world around you. Start small. Choose one or two habits that resonate with you and begin incorporating them into your daily routine. Declutter a drawer. Unsubscribe from unwanted emails, or practice gratitude for 5 minutes each day. As you experience the benefits, gradually incorporate more minimalist habits into your lifestyle. Ready to embark on your minimalist journey? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Connect with a community of like-minded individuals and support each other on this path toward a simpler, more fulfilling life. Embrace the power of less and discover the transformative potential of minimalist living. Minimalism is not just about decluttering your home, it's about decluttering your life, creating space for what truly fuels your soul, experiences, relationships, and personal growth. It's a conscious shift from accumulating possessions to cultivating moments, from chasing more to embracing enough. Minimalism is about living with intention, purpose, and a deep-seated joy that comes from aligning your actions with your values. As you embark on this minimalist journey, remember, it's not a race to a stark, empty existence. It's not a destination, but a continuous process of refinement and growth, a journey of self-discovery. It's about finding what truly adds value to your life and discarding the rest. Embrace the beauty of simplicity, the calming power of intention, and the liberating freedom that comes from living a life authentically aligned with your values. Start small, perhaps with just one of the 20 habits we've discussed. Stay committed and witness the profound transformation minimalism ignites within you, extending outwards to every facet of your life. It's a journey of letting go and embracing the richness of less.